Seen by millions when it was first shown on UK peak time television in 1973, and since then seen continuously across the world at War has been one of television's most watched documentary series. Fremantle Media and iFrame have used state-of-the-art technology to bring it to a new public in high-definition picture and surround sound.
World at War is the definitive collection of documentaries regarding the Second World War, as far as we're concerned. What we were challenged with was making sure that it looked as good as possible now that Blu-ray is in the market.
Every single shot is graded and analysed to within an inch of its life to get the very most out of it. So we go through a huge process of trying to make everything fit together a little bit better. And certainly on this project, there's been a couple of times where everyone's just gone, wow, you know, like they're going, oh, I've never looked at it that way before.
The World at War, if you can imagine it, it's literally been filmed in combat scenarios all over the world, different environments, different humidities. You've got shots from the early 1900s right through to the late periods of the war, and it ranges from old black and white to colour footage. Also, it's a mix of different standards of film as well. So the problem here is then that you not only have to deal with 16mm grain, you've got to deal with the original 35mm grain as well. We're kind of keeping faith with the original programme as much as possible. We only really want to remove marks that are distracting to the viewer. We want to focus on people. When you're going through this, the archive footage, you realise that these are real people. This is really happening.
Meanwhile, the World at War is undergoing audio restoration.
I'm bringing both monophiles in, restoring them, removing all the high-frequency noise, crackles, clicks, pops, all the artifacts to create a restored full mix, to then work from to create 5.1 surround sound.
After 2 years of tests, teams of people, groundbreaking techniques, and tremendous dedication, the World at War is ready to be enjoyed in newly restored high definition, to be experienced as you've never seen it before.